walked out and gone to the grocery store and not even looked in your own cabinets, your pantry, to see what you have on hand first? Just go in the store and just start picking up everything willy-nilly, whether you have a list or not. I'm not doing that this year. So I decided to go grocery shopping first in my own pantry. So here I have a bin that I have because I'm gonna start organizing my pantry as I clear some stuff out. And I said, you know what? We're gonna grocery shop in our pantry first before we head to the store. Let's see what kind of items I can pull together to make meals for the week. All right, so I have some petite diced tomatoes. So I can do okra and tomatoes. So all I need is some okra. Alongside of that, I'm gonna do some air fried fish. I have my breading. Had some tuna packets in there, so that's perfect for lunch or like a snack. I like to slice up some apples and place my tuna on top. If you're following me on Instagram, Mrs. House 2 Home _, you'll see that I have a photo down there. If you stroll way down on my timeline, I did some sliders a year back or so. And it's just tuna on top of apples instead of crackers. Really, really, really good. Here, I picked up some Thai peanut sauce. I don't know, maybe I was in an Asian type of vibe. Anyway, this was deep in the cut of my pantry. Don't worry, it's not expired, but I was inspired to pick up some chicken breast. I also have some sesame oil and some actual Asian garlic that I picked up when we went to Hawaii last February. Still good. So I'm like, girl, everything you need is on hand. You are tripping. So we're gonna have some stir-fried vegetables in the freezer as well that I got from Sam's in a haul a couple months back. Y'all are not judging me because you're just rolling, because I know I'm not the only one who does this. So we're gonna do a chicken recipe, like a stir fry. I also have some black beans. I love black beans. So thinking about either doing like a chili, or I might do a homemade version of like a chipotle bowl or something like that. So I want to do a dual thing as far as the chicken breast, because I know when I go to Aldi's, those packs of chicken breasts are really big, especially for a small household. So I'm gonna split it and probably use chicken for 2 meals. So I'll do like a bowl with some cauliflower rice, black beans. See, I'm thinking on camera. I have some cauliflower rice in my freezer. So yeah, if I pick up a pack of chicken breast, that will serve for 2 meals because I'll just add this. So that's perfect. I also had some crab meat on deck. Expiration date is still good. So I'm gonna come up with another recipe. I'll film a video on that, so I'll let you guys know about that later. Now, this is the adventurous side. I had some pecans. I had some good old Cracker Barrel. This is sugar-free syrup. I have some organic coconut flour, and I have some almond flour on deck. I'm gonna make some pecan muffins. Perfect for after the gym workout, or if you're running out of the door with your cup of coffee or whatever the case may be. That's a good accompaniment for your day. So I'm just gonna roll with it, guys. I'm taking you along with me, and let's see what we create over the next couple of days. All right, guys, so I have some chicken breasts that I picked up from my last Aldi's haul. These extra fine green beans, I believe I got them from Aldi's as well. And then I have this in the pantry. I want to say that I picked this up from Trader Joe's. So it's a Thai peanut sauce. So we're going to be doing an Asian chicken dish. I have some leftover cauliflower fried rice. So this is going to be a good accompaniment to it. So let's season the chicken breast. I like this pack because it's thin sliced. I don't have to get my tools out or my jar out to pound the chicken breast thin, or butterfly it, or split it, however you say it. So this is good, and this pack was $3.73, so right on budget. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some granulated garlic powder. Some 21 Salute seasoning from Trader Joe's. I also added in some parsley. I'm going to coat my pan with a little olive oil. And you want to make sure that you have a really good heat on your pan, because you want to give the meat some coloring. So don't disturb the meat while you have it in the pan. You want to make sure that both sides are browned equally. This smells so good, guys. Can't forget your garlic. You know that I am a garlic head. And I also added in some red onions, and I'm going to add a bit of water. I'm going to add a little bit of this fried rice seasoning to the green beans just to give it a little flavor. I don't want it over salted, and I do want that authentic flavoring to it. So I think it will balance well. I wish you guys could smell this, but just take my word for it. It smells amazing. So let's go in with some of this sauce. A little goes a long way. All right, so let's plate this up. The recipe for the cauliflower fried rice will be linked down below in the description box. Ooh, I can't wait to taste this. Well, homies, this meal definitely covered all the bases. Quick, easy, budget friendly, and delicious. Yes, God. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified every time we drop a new video. And don't be shy. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let's chit chat in the comment section. As always, thanks for rolling with your girl.